The Eco Assistant will help you to drive in a proactive and energy-conserving manner. In this process, the system will use available navigation data and the sensors of several assistant systems. Various symbols will be shown on the ID display and the head-up display, depending on the driving situation. In addition, the ID light will activate a light blue signal behind the steering wheel when the Eco Assistant recognizes a driving situation. When the Eco Assistant has been activated in the Driver Assistant menu, position D has been set and the driver removes his or her foot from the accelerator in response to a prompt from the system, the vehicle will automatically coast and recuperate energy. It will also adapt the vehicle's speed to the driving situation and external conditions like the vehicles ahead, the type of road being used, the traffic situation and speed limits.
Volkswagen.